Hey guys, hope you're all well. So with Spider-Man Brand New Day coming out this week and me being such a fan, as you can see here, I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to do another Tom Holland hairstyle tutorial. And over the last few weeks, I've been testing different products to try and get that Tom Holland hairstyle, especially with my fine hair. And with me having fine hair, I've been experimenting over the last couple of weeks to establish which products work for me. And honestly, I think I have found a routine that's pretty close. So if you're trying to get the Tom Holland hairstyle without spending a fortune, then let's get into it. So the best part about this routine is that you don't need loads of expensive products. I'm only using a lightweight curl cream by Slick Gorilla, Waves and Curls Mousse by Shockwaves, and Volume Mousse by Shockwaves. That's it. Everything here is affordable and easy to find. So step one, you want to start off with damp hair, not soaking wet, but not almost dry either. This is when your products are going to work its best. Step two, curl cream. As you can see, I'm taking a pea-sized amount of curl cream. Rub it between your hands and work it through the middle and ends of your hair. Try not to overload the roots, especially if you've got fine hair like me, because that's where you'll lose volume. Step 3, mix the mousses. Now for the products that really make the difference. I mix roughly 2 parts waves and curls with 1 part volume mousse in my hands before applying. Step 4, apply the mousse. Work the mousse evenly through your hair, front, sides, back. 5, scrunch. Now start scrunching your hair upwards. This encourages your natural wave pattern and gives you that soft texture that Tom Holland's hair has. Step 6, shape. And just remember guys, you don't have to get both mousses and mix them up. The reason I'm doing it is I have quite fine hair and it's a really good mix in terms of giving my hair that texture and volume. If you have quite thick hair, you can use a sea salt spray or you can use just the waves and curls mousse on its own. Moving on to the next step, which is the shape. Once you've scrunched everything, use your fingers to roughly place your fringe where you want it. Don't brush it, don't comb it back. Tom's hairstyle isn't perfectly styled. It has movement and looks natural, so don't overthink it. And that's one of the reasons that I love Tom Holland's hairstyle is because it's not overly styled. It's more of a natural looking style. Next, if you have a diffuser, then use the low heat, low speed setting. And you want to lift the roots as you dry to build volume. If you don't have one, you can either let it air dry or you can scrunch your hair to create natural curls in your hair. But the biggest tip that I can give you is don't keep touching your hair as it's drying. We want to let it have that natural wave at the end. I am finished. This is the final look. As you can see, I've got that definition in my hair. I've got that wave on the sides and the curls on the back and the top. As my hair grows longer from the back, it does get more curly and it's quite wavy on top. So I've managed to really enhance those waves just in the same way Tom Holland has. And there you have it, guys, another Tom Holland hairstyle. I really enjoyed doing this one because I've spent quite a few weeks experimenting with different products. And on top of that, I'm a big Spider-Man fan, so that's what makes it so much cooler. I've honestly been surprised at how well this routine works, considering how affordable the products are. In terms of the mousse by Shockwaves, I believe they are a couple of pounds. And the curl cream I used was by Slick Gorilla. It's actually a really good product in terms of enhancing your waves and curls. I believe this was around £12, which is quite affordable. If you've got fine hair and you want to give the Tom Holland hairstyle a try, I would recommend you give it a go. If you're a Spider-Man fan and you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Please let me know your thoughts on this routine and the products. And let me know if there is another hairstyle tutorial that you want me to do. I will also leave my previous Tom Holland hairstyle tutorial over here as well as in the description. I hope you all have an amazing time watching Spider-Man Brand New Day. I know I will and I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching guys and I will see you on the next one.